Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zainab. If this is your first time seeing me here, you are welcome. Please do consider subscribing. Show your girl some love, guys. It's free. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you all so much for joining me in today's video. So today guys, I'm back with another makeup brand product review and makeup look. So I'll be reviewing the Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez makeup product. They got sent me some products, so I thought to share it with you all and also give you my honest review on how I feel about all these products here. So just in case you don't know, Rare Beauty is actually Selena Gomez beauty line. She's actually a celebrity and I adore her so much. I've heard nothing but good reviews on Rare Beauty product and I'm so excited to try this out. So right now I'm going to be showing each and every product that are included in this box, and after that I'm going to be creating a simple look, which you all know I always do when reviewing a product. Then I give my honest review on how I feel about all these products right here. So first is their primer. It's always an Optimist Pore Diffusing primer, and I think they also have an illuminating primer, but this here is their Pore Diffusing primer. Next is their foundation, which is the Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation, and these shades are in shade 340C and 330N, which I feel they are too light for me, though I've tried them on and they're really not my shade, but I love how they feel on my skin, and that I'll also be letting you know if it's really worth getting. Like, I'll be letting you know how it feels on my skin, but I don't think I'll be using it while creating a tutorial because they are too light for me. Next is their concealer, which is the Liquid Touch Brightening Concealer in the shade 340C and 330N, which are the same shades with the foundation I showed you earlier, but this concealer here I can work with. So next is their liquid blush, which is the Soft Pinch Liquid Blush in the shade Grace and Joy. So this blush here I've been wanting to try due to how viral it went, and it's also Rare Beauty bestseller. So I'm so excited to try this blush out. So here is their cream blush, which is the Stay Vulnerable Melting Blush in the shade Nearly Rose and Nearly Mauve. So here is their liquid highlighter, which is the Positive Light Liquid Luminizer in the shade Captivate and Transcend. So here is their mascara, which is the Perfect Strokes Universal Volumizing Mascara in the shade Black. And here is the eyeliner, which is the Perfect Strokes Matte Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Black. So here is the eyeshadow palette. It's their Discovery eyeshadow palette in Come to Play. I think they have another eyeshadow palette, but this here is in Come to Play. I can't remember the name of the other one. So the eyeshadow palette comes in 7 different shades: matte, shimmer, and a glitter top coat. So here is their matte lip cream in Inspire. So here is their Stay Vulnerable Glossy Lip Balm in the shade Nearly Rose and Nearly Mauve. So these lip balms here have the same color and also same shade names as their Stay Vulnerable Melting Blush. So guys, I really love the packaging of all these products here. They are so simple and also pretty. So now I'm just going to be creating a look. I don't know which, but it's just going to be a simple and quick makeup look using all these Rare Beauty products I just showed you. And after that, I'll be letting you know how I feel about them, like giving you my honest opinion on this Rare Beauty product. So guys, this is the finished and completed look. So I'll just go ahead and let you know what I think about this Rare Beauty product. So first is the Pore Diffusing primer. I really love this primer. Like, the foundation I used over it applied beautifully well. It's lightweight, it's smooth, and I love the texture. The primer is also hydrating and it smells so nice. So next is their foundation. This foundation here is so great, but the shade is too light for me, so I couldn't use it. So I did try it before noticing the shade was too light for me. It's matte and glowing at the same time. So this foundation here is a medium coverage foundation. It doesn't feel heavy. It's so natural. I love the texture, and it's also more like a serum. So next is the concealer. I love the coverage. It's lightweight, it's easy to blend, and I also love how it blends seamlessly into my skin. So next is their melting blush. I also tried this, but I chose to use the liquid blush, like the viral liquid blush instead. Like, I really love the packaging. This blush here is perfect for a natural look. It's smooth on the skin, it's so creamy, easy to apply, and I also love the texture. So next is their liquid blush. I said this earlier, I've been wanting to try this, and I am so happy I did try it due to how viral it went. This liquid blush here, it's so pigmented, like a little goes a long way. I love the packaging, and it also blends perfectly well. Like, this here is worth buying. So next is their liquid highlighter. It also blends so well. I love the packaging, and a little also goes a long way. So next is their mascara. For this mascara, I love the formula. Like, it's not too wet or too dry. I love the wand applicator. Like, with 1 to 2 coats, your eyes will really be popping. Like, this product here is really great. So next is the eyeliner. I really love this eyeliner. It's pigmented and also super black, and it's easy to use. It stays put. I also love the packaging. Like, guys, you really need to get your hands on this eyeliner. So next is their Discovery eyeshadow palette in Come to Play. Like I said earlier, they have 2 eyeshadow palettes. I can't remember the other one, but this here is in Come to Play. Like I also said earlier, it comes in 7 different shades: matte, shimmer, and also a glitter top coat. So this eyeshadow palette here is stunning. I love the packaging. I love the pigment. It blends beautifully well. The only shade that had fallout was the glitter here, but all in all, I love this eyeshadow palette, so you should go get one, or you could just get the other one, which has more of neutral shades. Next is their matte lip cream. This shade here is so pretty, like a very bright orangey red. So this here is the texture, and it's so creamy. So next is their glossy lip balm. I really love this lip balm here. It's not sticky, and it's also comfortable on the lips. I love the texture. It's hydrating and also easy to apply. It can also be applied alone, which I did, or also on top of your favorite lipstick. So for their foundation brush, I really like this brush. I love the shape. The bristles are so soft. I really love how easily it did blend into the skin. Perfect for applying foundation. It can also be used to blend out blush or bronze. Lastly is their concealer brush. I love this brush. It did blend my concealer perfectly well. It's so soft, and I also love the shape. Like, this brush here helps get under the eye area, so it's really good. So go get yourself one of this brush, or the 2. So guys, I truly love every single product I've tried. Like, I love the packaging of all the products. All of Rare Beauty products seem to have a really nice texture. I'm so happy I finally get to try Selena's makeup brand. I really love all these products here, and I recommend all these products for you. Go try them out, guys. These products here are really good. I love the quality, the texture, and also the packaging of the products. I'm really impressed, and I'm looking forward to trying new products from Rare Beauty. So leave me a comment down below if you've tried any of Rare Beauty products. Let me know which of the Rare Beauty products you've tried, and also your thoughts on the products. Thank you all so much for watching. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe if you're yet to. Turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any video of mine whenever I post. I love you all so much. Do stay safe, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye.